If you have an R22 system and you need to add refrigerant to it, can your contractor get it? In some cases, no. But I'd say in most cases, if they look hard enough, they can still maybe get their hands on a jug of R22 or at bare minimum, a replacement refrigerant for R22. But the conversation becomes the cost of that, right? If you're going to say replace a TXV or a coil or a compressor or whatever that part is that's a part of the refrigeration circuit, and you're going to have to put refrigerant in that system, if the cost is so high, there becomes a point where you say, do I want to put that much money in a system that is that old?